Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm making a fall arrangement. I'm using this galvanized bucket left over from my son and daughter-in-law's barn wedding, and I'm just going to fill it with some packing material so I can get some height. I'm going to use some raffia. Actually, this is stuff that I've been using year to year. I save it at the end of every year and put it into a bag. Just take it out and use it every year for whatever. Great way to repurpose. And I got this cute little dish towel at one of my favorite places up in Maine when I was with my sister. And I'm just going to hang it out of the edge of the bucket. And I'm just going to start placing my pumpkins. And I'm going to use some picks. I love pumpkins, and over the years I have collected bins of them. I think I have one bin of large, no, actually I have two bins of large pumpkins and one bin of small pumpkins. I'm a pumpkin fanatic. And I've collected picks over the years, and I just use them in different arrangements, and I try to change it up every year so it doesn't look the same, so there's some kind of uniqueness each year. And this is the first year I've used the galvanized bucket. I've had all my laundry detergent stuff in it in the laundry room since they got married, and then I thought, ooh, that's a cute idea. I think I'll use that. So you can just see I'm just stuffing picks and leaves all around it to fill it in. This is going to be so pretty. I just love being creative, y'all. And if you're watching this channel, you probably love crafting and being creative as well. And if you're not subscribed to this channel and you enjoy tutorials and videos like this, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And I'm trying to grow my channel, so if you would kindly share this video with your friends, I would love that. And if you give me a thumbs up here on the YouTube channel, that will also help boost my videos and help me engage new subscribers. Well, I am going to call this done. I am very happy with how it turned out. And another fall vignette done and ready to be placed in my home. I hope y'all enjoyed it. As I said, welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subby. And thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll come back and see what I'm up to next.